Aloha once again. I will now show you Mindmeister. I have been on the lookout for a free mind mapping tool because the last one I used was a proprietary one from the old office where I used to work. Anyhow, I found Mindmeister and I've only used it once, and it's so easy because you can log on or create an account or log on using Google. So every time I go to this website now, it just automatically logs me on using my Fort Hayes account. Anyhow, so it's really easy. You can just choose from templates. So let's check here. And it could be a project plan where you can indicate the predecessor activities and then milestones, or could be hierarchical like organizational chart. So mind mapping tools are a great way to organize information. I have not tried it in class yet. I have used it in class to present topics, like for instance I have a new unit. So let me see what be a good one here. So let's say I have a new unit or a new section that I'd like to teach. I would like put it in the center or be the topic on the top, and then create some connections here to subtopics, and then etc. I have provided a mind map to students before, but I have not been religiously using it. But I think it's a great tool to organize a lesson in a graphic form, not unlike graphic organizers that we have seen before. So this is probably a really good tool for other things as well. So you might find it useful for could be PE or JROTC or other things than I could think of. Anyhow, this is Mindmeister, a mind mapping tool. Thanks.